I have an interview I got to do at...
That is so loud.
Welcome to the Mechanical Room. A Centrotherm production focusing on all things in and around the HVAC industry. And now, your hosts, Michael Sakaris and Matthew Price.
Hello, ladies and gents. We've got Buddy the Plumber here at Centrotherm. And we are tool people here at Centrotherm. So we wanted to do a live review of what's on the truck. So tell us a little bit about what we got here.
We got 99% Milwaukee tools.
I like it.
All
I have
Milwaukee
a pack out
pack
myself.
Oh yeah, we got a few of those.
So tell us some of your favorite things in this one.
So I love my power tools. I love the bin selection in the store. Hangers and what have you. Nice and simple.
Nice and simple and organized.
They've lasted. This truck's going on 18 months old, so they've held up. Then there's weight in them, so it's not like they're light.
There is.
And I can keep all my good stuff. All my Vega press fittings.
Say hello to the Vega team.
All the Vega press.
Do you sweat pipe at all, or are you just pressing?
I don't know. I have a press fitting on this. I don't have a sweat fitting on this truck.
Okay.
I got a press tool, radio.
Oh, your necessity is the radio.
I got Centrotherm fittings, adapters, stickers.
Nice.
Hangers, all my
Always love to see the Centrotherm on the truck.
more in there. We got plenty of Centrotherm pipe around.
There you go. Thank you for that. So let me ask you, I see Centrotherm pipe
Yep.
and I see cutting tools.
Yep.
What's your method, your preference?
My preference is a porta band,
Okay.
then a Rima.
Okay.
So I happen to actually buy a new Rima
Awesome.
just by chance. And we could chop this piece of pipe up.
How do you do it?
How do I do it? I use a porta band or a Sawzall. We can show you both.
It's a live demonstration here by
So.
Buddy Phelps.
Send this one out to our product manager, our former product manager.
Yeah, there's no hand tools for cutting. Nice square cut.
Sweet.
That leaves a little burr, so they can just snap into the Milwaukee pencil Rima. Brand new one.
Ready to go.
Inside. Nice and smooth outside. Take that burr off so you can get a nice factory-like edge.
Very nicely done.
I feel like you've done this once or twice.
Once or twice. And that'll
we do
slide
that so we
right
don't
into a fitting.
So we don't damage the
We don't
gasket?
damage the gasket, so pull the gasket out the backside, but it goes on no problem inside the fitting,
Sweet.
even with pulling it. And again, if you're gonna do it with the Sawzall, it's the same exact gasket pops right back in, so it's not a big deal to take that out. Sawzall's a little bit more jiggy going in. Again, nice square straight cut. Another ream.
Nice. Ooh. That was a good deburr. A little smooth, a little smoother.
Yeah.
Does it leave?
So what I find is on the reamers, you don't want them at 90 degrees to the pipe. You want to like just barely hooked on that edge, and that gives you a nice pull around the pipe, and that gives you a nice bevel. Yeah. And that bevel will slide right in much better than a square cut.
Sweet, sweet.
That piece is there. That'll go right there.
In the Vito bag. I am also a Titan strap fan. I have those at home. I see a number of those.
I actually just won the Titan straps. I have ones I've had here for a long time, but I just won a bundle from them also. Good.
That's a good quality accessory.
6-inch bird screens in stock in my truck. Electrical tape measures, large hammers. We got pretty much everything you need. Fans to exhaust air.
Shout out to FW Web. I see an FW Web
FW
bucket
Web
there.
buckets. We buy lots of stuff from Web. They're good to us.
They are a good partner of ours as well.
I just got stuff everywhere. Trash bags, Sawzall blades, porta band blades. all kinds of stuff. Straps to lift boilers.
Okay.
So, this is what I'm talking about. That we need to get on something with.
Idea like a yes.
Obviously,
Size
this
to PVC.
fits.
Size to PVC.
This is for PVC, but
Is that a reed?
this is a reed. Yep.
It's a reed. Okay.
But there's got to be one we can get. I mean, if you want to force it, I tell you, it leaves a
Nice bevel.
much better edge.
Yeah, a little easier too.
What is that engineered for specifically?
PVC.
PVC.
Sked 40 PVC.
Yeah.
But based on what I see here, chop a little bit out of it, and you'd be at the right hole size. You know?
Or work with reed to get it sized.
And again, it makes such a nice burr.
3 inches close, but not exact.
Nope. I could force this on there, but it's just easier to go through.
Cool. Well, thank you very much, Mr. Fell, for
Yeah, no
showing
problem.
us live what is on the truck. Thank you for coming to visit us here.
Always a
at Centrotherm.
pleasure. Learned a lot today.
Love the hairdo. Hopefully you got a little bit out of the visit.
I did.
We appreciate your time and effort to get here.
Perfect. I enjoy coming.
Are you going to show
Where's
them?
the green?
We talked about painting the building green. Yeah.
You got to get green on the get rid of the blue. I don't know any blue in Centrotherm.
No blue in Centrotherm.
Not that color, anyways.
Not that color.
Not anymore.
We got that.